my dear students.
Good morning, teacher.
Very good morning, students. So today we are learn the subject play, do and learn. Now we are playing a game. You like to play a game?
Yes.
Okay. Now teacher show you some object. You can identify that object. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. What is that?
Ball.
Okay, it is a ball. What is the color of that ball?
White and yellow. White and yellow.
White, yellow, red. Okay.
White, yellow, red.
What is that?
Egg.
Egg. Okay. What is the color of that egg?
White.
White. Okay. Next thing is very interesting. Huh? What is that?
Car.
What is the color of that car?
Blue. Blue, black. Yellow,
Okay.
red.
Oh,
White.
blue. Okay, blue, black, yellow, red. Okay.
Blue and black. Banana.
Banana. What is the color of that banana?
Yellow. Black.
Yellow color. Okay. Now teacher want to ask you. Now teacher ask you one question. When you feel so hungry, when you feel so hungry, that time you eat car or banana?
Banana.
Okay. Why you eat banana? Why you eat banana?
Yes. Energy. Strong.
Because it's a fruit and car is a toy. Because car is a toy and banana is a fruit. At the same way, we are eat egg. Okay?
Yes.
So that banana and egg is the food. That banana and egg is the food. So everything that we eat and drink called as a diet. Everything that we eat and drink called as a diet. So today our topic name is diet. Now teacher share with you screen. You have to observe that screen very carefully. And you have to listen also very carefully. After that teacher asks you some questions. Today we are learn the subject play, do and learn. What do you see in that picture?
Vegetables, fruits.
Okay, you are seeing fruits and so many vegetables are there. Girl is there. So today our topic name is diet. Our topic name is diet. What is the spelling of diet? D. Okay, very good. You are a very brilliant student. Huh? The spelling of diet is D-I-E-T.
D-I-E-T.
Okay. So what is mean by the diet? Diet means everything that we eat and drink. Diet means what? Everything that we eat and drink. What do you see in that picture?
Fruit, pineapple, and fruits.
Some fruits are there, some vegetables are there. Also juice are there, fish is there, egg is there, ice cream is there, faluda is there. Okay. So all these are the food. Diet means what? Everything that we eat and drink. What do you see in that picture?
Fruit. The boy eat vegetables.
Very good.
A boy eat vegetable.
Okay, that boy eat a vegetable. But which vegetable is that?
Carrot.
Okay, carrot is that. What is the color of
Carrot.
Orange. Orange color. Okay.
Orange and green.
Yes. Girl is there also, na? What the girl is doing?
Girl is eating a food.
Okay, girl is taking a breakfast. That girl eat a bread and jam, juice also there, fruits also there. It means girls take a breakfast. And so many vegetables are there. So, when do we need food? When you feel very hungry, you eat something. But are you eat food for only satisfy your hunger? No. Our body work as like a machine. Our body work as like a machine. It required a fuel to get started. We get this fuel or energy from the food. From where we get the energy?
Yes.
Yes, students. From
Vegetable.
we get energy from the food. We need energy to perform our daily activity, that we need to eat healthy food. Whatever food we eat provide us a energy. Students, we need to eat a good and healthy food to keep ourselves healthy. Now, food help us to grow. Food help us healthy. Food keep us healthy and give us energy.
Fruit.
Why do we need energy, students? Anybody know?
To work and play.
Yes.
And play.
Very good. We need energy to work and play. Whatever activity we do in our daily life, every day, you need energy to perform your activity. If you don't eat food, you feel tired. You will not have energy to do the work and you not feel active also. We need energy to work and play. What do you see in that picture?
The boy and girl playing in the park.
Oh, very good. What about others?
The girl work.
The girl do study. Okay. So in that picture, some boys and girls play in the garden. Some boys and girls are dance. Some and girl also do a study. And one girl play game on a laptop. Okay. So each and every work we need a energy. And from where we get that energy? We get that energy from the food. Okay. Now what do you say in that picture?
The boy eating a food. Apple, juice, and bread.
The boy eating a fruit. It is a picture of girl? No. That is a boy. Boy eat a bread and jam. Okay. Very good answer. Good try. But the picture here is the picture of boy. And the boy eat a bread and jam. Also eat a apple and drink a juice. Now in that picture, here are some physical activities. Okay. In the first picture, the boy is walking. It means we required energy while walking. Also in a second picture, that boy do the exercise. It means we have to need energy for the exercise. What about third picture? What the boys play?
A football.
Very good. Very nice observation. Huh? It means that
A
boy
football.
Ha, very good. That boy play with a football. It means while playing a game, we require the energy and we get that energy from the food. What about fourth picture?
Boy is yoga.
Okay, the girl is dancing there, na? Yeah, the girl is dancing there. So,
Dancing here.
very good. It means while performing a dance, we require the energy. What about fifth picture?
Boy hill.
Okay, that boy climbing on the hill. What do you see in that picture? The boy climbing on the hill. It means
hill.
oh, very good. Nice observation. It means while climbing on the hill, we require energy. It means while walking, while doing exercise, while playing a football, while performing a dance, while climbing on a mountain, we require the energy. And we get that energy from the food. We get energy. We need energy while sleeping and while sitting and while performing a yoga also. And okay.
Marathi.
From where we get food, students? Yes, students. From where we get food? We get food from plants and animals. We get food from plants and animals. What do you see in that picture?
Fruits. Mango, apple, banana, orange, and watermelon.
Yes, very good. Nice observation. Here are some picture of fruits. That fruits are dancing here. Yes or no? The fruits are dancing here.
Yes.
Yes. So what is the color of that apple?
Red.
Yes, the color of apple is a red. What is the color of banana?
Yellow.
Yellow. Okay. What is the color of that orange?
Orange.
Okay. What is the color of that watermelon?
Red and green.
Red and green. Okay. Do you like to eat fruits?
Yes, I like fruit.
Very good. So which fruit do you like most?
Apple, banana, and watermelon.
Okay, you like to eat all fruits. Very good. In our country, there are three main seasons. First one is a rainy season. Second one is a winter season. And third one is a summer season. So in that all three seasons available different type of fruits. That watermelon available mostly in a summer season. That mango also available in a summer season. Fruits are so colorful, so juicy, so tasty, and also so yummy also. At the same time, they are very much good for our health. The person who eats fruit daily feel fit and active. What do you see in that picture?
Vegetables.
Vegetables. You like vegetables?
Yes. Carrot, and tomato, broccoli, cucumber,
Okay.
tomato, one pumpkin, spinach.
Very good. Nice observation, huh, student? Here are some carrots are there. Ladyfinger is there. Potato is there. Broccoli is there. Leafy vegetable is there. Pumpkin is there. Tomato, cucumber is there. So all these vegetables we get from the plants. All these vegetables we get from the plants. Yes, these vegetables are very healthy and they give us a energy. To make us fit and fine, we have to eat vegetables. We need to make it a habit to eat fruits and vegetables. We should include this in our diet, especially the green vegetables. Now, what is the color of that tomato, students?
Red.
Red. The color of tomato is red. What is the color of that leafy vegetable?
Green.
Green. What is the color of that broccoli?
Broccoli green.
Okay.
Broccoli
What is the color
green.
of that potato?
Orange.
Orange. What is the color of cucumber?
Cucumber green.
And what is the color of that carrot?
Orange.
Orange and green. So these vegetables are very healthy. Now cereals. Number 1 is rice. Number 2 is a maize. And number 3 is a wheat. From the rice, we make a idli, dosa and rice also. And sometimes we make bhakri with the help of rice. With the help of maize, we are make a popcorn. You like popcorn?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. And with the help of wheat, we are make a chapati.
Yes.
And all these 3 things very important in our diet. Okay, what do you see in that picture?
Beans, chickpeas, green seeds, black eggs, beans.
Okay, so all these are the example of pulses. All these are the example of pulses. From where we get the pulses?
P-U-L-S-E-S, pulses.
Yes. I'm not asking to you the spelling of that pulses. Teacher asks you from where we get that pulses. We get that pulses from the plants. We get that pulses from the plants. Now, chickpeas, gram seeds, black-eyed beans, kidney beans, these all are the example of pulses. And that pulses are very important in our diet. So all these are the type of food we get from the plants. Now we will see which food we get from the animals.
Buffalo, milk. Buffalo, goat and buffalo.
Cow. Okay, nice observation,
Buffalo,
students.
goat, cow.
Buffalo, goat, cows are there. From all that animals, what we get?
Milk.
Milk. Do you like milk?
Yes, I like milk.
Okay. Food we get from animals are, first one is a milk. Milk is very much important for our growth. We need to drink milk every day. Milk is a complete food. Listen very carefully. Yeah? Milk is a complete food. Now, which animal give us a milk?
Buffalo, goat, and cow. Buffalo, goat, cow.
Very good. We get milk from the buffalo, goat, and cow. What do you see in that picture?
Milk projects. Milk
Project. It's a product.
milk, Amul butter, milk, Amul butter, cheese, and Amul curd, butter and cheese.
Okay, nice observation, students. Very good. Here are some milk products. We also make different products from the milk, like butter, ghee, cheese. So all these products we are make from the milk. You like butter?
Yes.
Okay. So all these products we get from the milk, and we get milk from the buffalo, goat, and cow. What do you see in that picture?
Fish, meat, and egg. Meat.
Do you like fish?
Yes.
Okay. So here are some pictures of
I like.
yes, very good.
We also get egg and meat from animals.
Yes, we also get egg and meat from animals. For example, very good. Basically, we eat. Okay.
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. These are the three main meals of a day. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. These three are the main meals of a day. First one is a breakfast. When we take a breakfast?
In the morning. In the morning.
Very good. In the morning, we are take a breakfast. Did you have a breakfast?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, very good. What we eat in a breakfast?
Roti and bread.
Bread and jam.
Roti, chapati, rice, and dal.
Oh, that thing we are eating a breakfast? Okay.
Roti, bhaji.
Very good. So, we take breakfast in the morning. In the breakfast, we have to eat a sambar, dosa, bread, egg, fruits. Okay. Next is a lunch. When we take a lunch?
In the afternoon.
Yes. Very good. Very good, students. We take lunch in the afternoon. In a lunch, we eat a heavy food. In a lunch, we eat a heavy food like roti, bhakri, chapati, dal, rice, curry, etc. So, in a lunch, what we have to eat? We have to eat a heavy food. For example, roti, dal rice, bhakri, chapati, all these things we have to eat in a lunch. Now third one is a dinner.
Dinner at night.
Yes,
Dinner
very good.
In night.
Yes, you all are very brilliant students. Huh? We have to take dinner at night. We eat mostly light food in a dinner. We eat mostly light food in a dinner. We take dinner at night. We take dinner at night. Which food you eat in a dinner?
Dinner, dal, chawal, roti, dal, and rice.
Very good. Dal and rice. That one is a light food. We should always maintain a good routine that we should never skip these three main meals of a day. These three main meals are very important. What do you say in that picture?
Breakfast morning, lunch afternoon, dinner night.
Very good. It means
dinner night.
okay. It means we have to take breakfast in the morning. We have to take lunch in the afternoon, and we have to take dinner at night. If we take these 3 meals every day, our body works properly. We should always maintain a good routine that we should never skip these 3 main meals. Okay. What do you say in that picture?
Healthy eating habits. Healthy eating food.
Okay.
Habit.
But I saw here some fruits and vegetables, na? I saw one pyramid of food. Here is the pyramid of food. Now we are seeing some healthy eating habits. Now first one, we should eat fresh
clean food. We should eat fresh, clean food.
Very good. You are a very brilliant student, sir. We should eat fresh, clean food. Now next, who will read that?
Wash your hands before and after meals.
So, when you want to take a meal, that time before and after, we have to wash our hands. Wash your hands before and after meals. Now, who will read that?
Wash your fruits and vegetables which you buy from market and vegetables
Very good.
Buy from market.
Okay, very good students. Wash your fruits and vegetables which you buy from market. Matlab, it means whatever things you have to brought from the market, you have to wash first of all. And after that, we have to take for the eating. What do you see in that picture?
Exercise daily.
But what do you see in that picture?
The boys and girls doing exercise.
Very good. Nice observation. Here are some boys and girls perform exercise. You like to do exercise?
Yes, I like exercise.
Very good. It means exercise play very important role for our health. We have to do exercise daily.
Yes.
What the girl is doing?
Drink a lot of clean water, later of boiled water.
Okay, nice reading, students. But what the girl is doing here?
The girl is doing drink water.
Yes, girl, drink water. Drink a lot of clean and pure filter or boiled water. Water is very important for our digestion. Now, eat a fresh and clean food.
And fresh.
Have a lot of fruits and vegetables. Whatever diet you take in our day-to-day life.
Vegetables.
In that fruit and vegetables are very important. We have to take a lot of fruits and vegetables. Also eat a clean food. Now we should chew our food properly. We should chew our food properly.
Chew?
What do you see in that picture? I'm asking you about picture. What do you see in that
junk
picture?
Food. Do not eat junk food.
Very good. Here are the picture of some junk food. So, say no to junk food. Which food included in a junk food?
Burger, fruits and vegetables.
Yes, fruits and vegetables included in the junk food.
No. Cake.
Bread, jam, burger, vada pav, samosa, all these things included in a junk food.
Junk food.
And vegetables and fruits are a healthy food. Okay. Drink milk daily to keep your bones strong. With the help of milk.
Drink milk daily to keep our bones strong.
Very good. With the help of milk, we make our bones strong.
Keep your drink. Take 3 meals a day. Healthy breakfast. Bunch lunch. Night dinner.
Okay, it's not a bunch lunch, it's a balanced lunch. Okay. And third one is a light dinner. Take 3 meals a day. First one is a healthy breakfast. Second one is a balanced lunch. And third one is a light dinner. Now, we have to remember some things. First one is we should eat proper meals at proper time. And I told you we should take a breakfast, lunch, dinner has to be done at a proper time. Second thing, we should respect food. Always remember, we should never waste the food. We should always take only that much quantity of food in your plate that you feel you are able to finish. We should not waste the food. And tell to your friend also not to waste the food. Eat healthy and stay healthy. So all these things you have to remember. Now, some healthy tips. Now, I would like to discuss some healthy tip. It is a very basic and simple tip and try to follow. If you follow that tips, you will feel very much happy and you feel change in your body also.
Drink 6 to 7 glass of water daily. Drink
very good.
Milk daily. Add
Very
more milk to our diet. Make a habit to eat fruits daily. An apple a day keeps doctor away.
Okay, very good students. Now first point is that drink 6 to 7 glasses of water daily. Water is very important factor of our diet. It is helpful for our digestion. Now second point is that drink 2 glasses of milk daily. Add more fiber. It's the fiber. What is the spelling of fiber? F-I-B-E-R.
Fiber.
It's a fiber. F-I-B-E-R. Add more fiber to your diet. And what is the spelling of diet?
D-I-E-T, diet.
Yes, very good. Make a habit to eat fruits daily. An apple a day, keep a doctor away. So, all these are the healthy tips that we have to follow in our daily life. Now, it's the time for question answer. Are you ready for the question answer?
Yes.
Sure. Are you ready for the question answer?
Yes.
What about students?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now take the correct answer. Which one is a complete food? Now listen very carefully. Which one is a complete food? Now here given a 3 options. First one is a rice, second one is a bread, and third one is a milk. Which one is a complete food? Milk. Very good.
Milk.
Very good, students. The complete food is the milk. Now, second one. Which one is a fast food? Listen very carefully once again. Which one is a fast food?
Pizza.
Here are 3 options: pizza, dal rice, and dosa. Which one is the correct option?
Rice.
Dal rice is a fast food.
Dal rice.
Wrong answer. Which one is a fast food? Pizza. Pizza is the right answer. Dal rice is a healthy food. Okay, now is the time of homework. Write 2 food items. First one is a breakfast, second one is a lunch, and third one is a dinner. You have to write here 2 food items that we eat in a breakfast, that we eat in a lunch, and that we eat in a dinner. Yes, students? What is mean by diet? Diet means whatever thing we eat and drink. Diet means what? All things we are eat and drink.
Whatever eat and think. Drink.
Yes. There are 3 main meals. First one is a breakfast, third one is a lunch, and third one is a dinner. Okay?
Lunch, dinner.
Okay. So, thank you, students. Have a nice day.
Thank you, teacher. Thank you, teacher.